Hey, it's Auntie Baby. I had a pair of Beats, and I noticed that every time I used them, this little stuff on here was falling off. And I'm like, it's nothing wrong with these. These are my favorite airplane. They are plug-in Beats. You know, a lot of you guys don't use them, but I use them when I travel on the airplane, so I have nice ear pads for the airplane, but then I kept getting white stuff all over them. So I'm going to show you what they look like. I don't know if you can see how it all flaked off. And I was trying to figure out what could I do to replace them, and they look nice. So I'm sorry that I didn't do this from the beginning, but I will give you a quick demonstration as to what I did. First of all, I purchased from Link Dream some replacement ear pads. It came with 2 ear pads, and it came with a tool to get the old ones off, and a cleaning pad to clean the area before I used them. So what you do is, this one came off kind of intact. So you actually pry this off. So when you get to this part, you pry it off. You take the old ones just completely off. And it has like these little holes on it. So this one came off intact. This one did not. This was on here. So all you do is pry it off. Make sure you remove all the glue from around there. And then you clean under here, between there. It is a 2-sided adhesive tape. And you peel it off, line up the holes, stick it on, and they look just like new. These things were like, I want to say like 11 bucks on Amazon.com. So yeah, this was great. It was easy. So if you want to give your old Beats a new look for less than 12 bucks, they look brand new again, and the red matches. So thank you.